In process controls and release tests are a very important component of manufacture of cell and gene therapies. And when developing these tests, we strive to have a very smooth transition from our analytical development into our QC department at NecstGen.
It is a great of importance to really test all the processes, all the materials that we are receiving to ensure that the patient receive the appropriate medicines compliant to the regulations. Analytical development should work closely with QC to ensure that the testing methods are appropriate and compliant for the next phases within the company.
Analytical and safety testing are a crucial part of cell and gene therapy manufacturing. We cannot release products without having done the test to show that the products we manufacture are safe for the patients to receive them.
Right now at NecstGen, within the QC department, we have the bacteria alert, we have the BioFire, EndoNext, 3P plates and the BioVaults from bioMérieux.